A chill surrounds the lush landscapes of New York's Hudson Valley, where tales of the supernatural have mixed with the region's rich historical tapestry, giving a mystique that captivates ghost hunters and history enthusiasts alike. Join Viewcation as we present haunted Hudson Valley destinations with a dark history. Bannerman Castle. Bannerman Castle, perched on the rugged terrain of Pollepel Island, emanates an aura of mystery and historical allure. The castle, initially constructed by Francis Bannerman as a residence and storage facility for his surplus business in the early 20th century, now stands partially in ruins, but it has a certain majestic charm. Visitors and paranormal enthusiasts have reported various unexplained phenomena, including apparitions believed to be of the Bannerman family and workers, as well as strange noises that permeate the island's eerie silence. The castle, accessible by boat, has become a popular destination for those seeking a glimpse into the past and perhaps an encounter with the inexplicable, offering guided tours that explore both the tangible history and spectral stories that have become intertwined with the Bannerman legacy. The Shanley Hotel. Nestled in the quiet town of Napanoch, the Shanley Hotel has garnered a reputation as one of the Hudson Valley's most haunted locales. The hotel, dating back to 1845, has witnessed a tapestry of lives, deaths, and myriad stories that seem to linger within its walls. Visitors have reported a wide array of paranormal experiences, including encounters with apparitions believed to be former owners and guests, unexplained sounds, and even objects moving of their own accord. The hotel embraces its haunted reputation, offering ghost tours and events for those curious to delve into its spectral history, exploring the various tales of tragedy, love, and everyday life that have seemingly imprinted upon the Shanley. SUNY Geneseo. The State University of New York at Geneseo, with its storied history and venerable architecture, has become the subject of numerous ghostly tales and legends. Particularly noted is the tale of the ghost of a former student who is said to haunt the halls of Erie Hall, where students have reported strange occurrences like objects moving inexplicably and eerie apparitions. The tales have become an integral part of the campus lore, intertwining the vibrant, bustling life of the university with whispers of its past and providing a hauntingly beautiful backdrop to the educational pursuits and youthful vitality of its students. The Gomez Mill House. The Gomez Mill House, as the oldest Jewish residence in the United States, carries in its walls a rich and varied history. Established in 1714, it's been a home to numerous people, including American Revolutionary activists, artisans, and a suffragist. Visitors and staff have reported encounters with apparitions believed to be former residents and unexplained phenomena, such as objects moving and strange noises. The house, now a museum, offers a glimpse into the lives of its previous inhabitants, exploring the tangible history and spectral stories that have become a part of its legacy. Smalley's Inn. Smalley's Inn, established in 1852 by James Smalley, has become synonymous with tales of the paranormal in Carmel. The inn, which has served as a restaurant and hotel, is said to be haunted by several spirits, including Elizabeth Smalley, who reportedly died in the inn during the 19th century. Visitors and staff have recounted experiences of objects moving mysteriously, sudden temperature drops, and sightings of apparitions. The inn embraces its haunted reputation, with the owners and staff sharing stories of their spectral encounters. The Beekman Arms Inn. The Beekman Arms Inn in Rhinebeck, New York, claims the title of America's oldest operating inn. Established in 1766, it's hosted myriad guests from esteemed historical figures to modern-day travelers. With such a rich history, it's perhaps no surprise that tales of the paranormal have become intertwined with the inn's legacy. Guests and staff have reported various unexplained phenomena, including apparitions believed to be former guests and eerie disembodied voices. The inn, with its colonial architecture and antique furnishings, provides a tangible link to the past. The Rondout Lighthouse. Perched at the confluence of the Rondout Creek and Hudson River, the Rondout Lighthouse in Kingston has guided mariners since 1915. The lighthouse, still operational, is accessible only by boat, adding an element of isolation and mystery to its presence. Ghostly tales have emerged, with reports of apparitions believed to be former keepers and strange unexplained noises echoing through its rooms. The lighthouse, with its panoramic views of the river and its stoic, enduring presence against the elements, serves as a beacon not only for ships, but also for those curious about the spectral tales that linger within its walls. The Wayside Inn, Elbridge. The Wayside Inn. The Wayside Inn, with its charming and historic aesthetic, has been a staple in Elbridge since the early 19th century. The inn, which has witnessed countless stories and lives throughout its existence, is said to be home to several spirits, including that of a former owner and his daughter. Visitors have reported various paranormal experiences, such as objects moving inexplicably, strange noises, and sightings of apparitions. The inn, while embracing its haunted reputation, continues to operate, offering guests not only hospitality but also a glimpse into the spectral stories that have become a part of its legacy. The Old Dutch Church. The Old Dutch Church in Sleepy Hollow, immortalized in Washington Irving's The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, is steeped in tales of the supernatural. The church and its adjoining burial ground are said to be haunted by various spirits, including the infamous Headless Horseman, who has become synonymous with the village's ghostly lore. Visitors have reported sightings of apparitions and unexplained phenomena, with the tales of the church and its spectral inhabitants becoming a significant draw for those interested in the paranormal. The church, with its historical architecture and its place in literary and paranormal history, provides a hauntingly beautiful exploration of the intersection between fact and fiction. Saratoga National Historical Park. The Saratoga National Historical Park in Stillwater, a site of significant military history and the turning point of the American Revolutionary War, is said to be haunted by the spectral remnants of soldiers who fought there. Visitors have reported sightings of ghostly figures, believed to be soldiers, and hearing unexplained sounds such as distant drumming and gunfire. The park, with its serene landscapes and poignant historical markers, serves as a reminder of the lives and stories that have shaped the nation's history, with the reported paranormal activity providing a spectral, haunting layer to the experiences of those who visit. The Terry Bray Golf Course. The Terry Bray Golf Course in Loch Sheldrake, New York, offers more than just a serene environment for golf enthusiasts. It's also known for a particular haunting tale involving a ghostly woman. Legend has it that the woman in white roams the golf course, particularly near the water hazards, where she's been sighted by various visitors and staff over the years. Some believe she's searching for something or someone, perhaps related to a tragic event in her past. The juxtaposition of leisurely golf rounds against a backdrop of spectral searches provides a uniquely haunting charm to the Terry Bray Golf Course. Now it's time to hear from you. Have you ever visited any of these spots? Would you want to? Let us know in the comments section below.